Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming your phone can accept a second line. Most modern phones support one physical SIM plus eSIM. Once done, back up contacts and settings so you can restore if something goes wrong. Next, obtain the second SIM or eSIM activation QR from your carrier and ensure you're on Wi-Fi. Make sure your primary line remains active during setup. This preserves service and avoids losing two-factor access while you add the second line. You now install the second line. If your phone accepts two physical SIMs, power off and insert the second tray SIM, then boot up. For eSIM, go to Settings, Cellular, and choose Add eSIM, then scan the carrier QR to provision the profile. Once the second line appears, label each line so you can tell them apart and set which line handles cellular data and voice. Because carriers differ, make sure your preferred line is set for data to avoid unexpected charges. Finish by testing both lines. Place a call, send an SMS, and browse with mobile data on each SIM to confirm routing. If one line doesn't connect, toggle airplane mode and restart the phone to force re-registration. This often fixes provisioning hiccups. Make sure your default line for calls and data is set correctly. If problems continue, reset network settings or contact the carrier. The issue is usually account provisioning or incompatible bands rather than the phone itself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.